Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to get multi-TV free channels to watch. Multi-TV is absolutely free in Africa, so if you are in any place in Africa, South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, anywhere in Africa, you can get multi-TV channels to watch. So, in case you are having a free decoder, what you need to do is to you first key in your multi-TV frequency, but make sure that you get 50 centimeters or above this that you can use to track for your multi-TV signals. So you go to menu on your decoder, and then you look for test at 28 degrees east. That's the multi-TV satellite name. So you look for that, and then you add your transponder. You need to add your transponder. So we go to transponder. So here is it, the multi-TV frequency 12525 vertical 30,000. If we're in anywhere in Africa, just key in this frequency 12525 30,000. So we press on it. Then you need to connect your cable from the dish so that you can track it. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you the practicals how to track for your multi-TV signal. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Okay. So for you to start panning for your multi-TV signal, you have to connect your cable. Either you are using a field decoder and a flash screen, or you are using a satellite pointer. You need to connect your cable. So you connect your cable to the LNB on top of the dish. And always make sure that your dish is facing east, because you get multi-TV at east. So wherever you are, any country that you are from, you can get it from your east, 28 degrees east. So you start by planning. You don't have to pan it. Go ahead. So now you're panning. So you're panning slowly, slowly, slowly. Well, I have the signal right now. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. you can see, I have 80% of the quality. Okay, so from here you need to scan it. So I'm going to connect it to the TV cell to scan it for you to see how you are going to, and the amount of channels you are going to get on it. So stay tuned. Okay, so after connecting your cable from the dish, and then you tracking your signal, everything is done over there. You need to connect the cable to your either inbuilt flat screen television or your free to air decoder that you are using to get your multi-TV free channels. So you start by going to menu. In case you have a free to air decoder with like this, if you don't find satellite in the menu, maybe you find antenna settings or dish settings over there. So you click on any that you find over there. Satellite, I have here satellite installation. So you come here, then you find the satellite name, any satellite name around here, from 25, 26, 28, 30 going. You can just insert the frequency and signal rate inside and you scan for it. So I will choose their satellite name. Their satellite name is Astra 2A2B 28 degrees, but I cannot find it on this finder, so I need to choose their this 28 degrees. So you click on it and you need to go to your transponder. Okay, so you have it. You have already keyed in your frequency and then signal rate on it like this. So you put it on it and then the signal will be working. In case you insert your cable and it's not working, you need to go back to your dish to make sure that the cable have been inserted well. So after inserting your cable, you need to scan. But for you to perform blind scan, manual scan, you get only few channels, so you need to perform blind scan. So I will perform the manual scan for you to know the amount of channels you are going to get with the manual scan. So all the time it's advisable for you to perform blind scan. You see, I got only 27 TV channels and 18 radio channels. So 27. But I need to perform the blind scan for me to get more channels. So we're going to scan and then switch to blind scan. So when you perform blind scan, it will automatically get any free to air channels that is on the lane of the satellite that I'm using, or any channel that is around that channel, that satellite. So it's always advisable for you to blind scan. And with you doing the blind scan, if you get the percentage, the quality of the percentage below maybe 50, 60, it depends on the channel that you are going to get. So always when you are tracking, you want free channels, make sure that the frequency that you are using, you get the quality percentage, more of the quality percentage, so that you can get more free channels to watch. So here you go, 116. Okay. So you need to keep waiting for it to scan. You need to keep waiting. So you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so anytime I drop a new video, you won't miss out. So if you like this video as well, just hit the thumbs up and then comment below. So we need to keep waiting for it to finish scanning, and then you delete the scan more channels. Right now I have 187 TV channels and 54 radio channels. Okay. So now we have 214 and then 72 of the radio channels. 2, 3, 5. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm done with the scanning, and I got 235 TV channels and 72 radio channels. So maybe 50 of them, 50 of the TV channels will be scrambled. So you need to delete them from it. So you have many channels to watch. So if you are in anywhere in Africa, you have any free dish over there. You can just key in the frequency and then you get these free channels to watch. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've been dropping you videos. I'm dropping you videos more often. So